Hello English teachers across Vietnam. My name is Mark Richard and I am Educational Services Manager for Oxford University Press. I would like to introduce you to our new course book, Tieng Anh Family and Friends National Edition. The book meets the requirements for the new Vietnam English language curriculum and has been approved by the Ministry of Education and Training for general education use for the school year 2020 to 2021. Family and Friends nurtures a love for learning English. It builds on the strengths of the well-known Family and Friends series and draws on teacher feedback to make the new edition even better for schools in Vietnam. Students develop a positive attitude to learning English through the whole child approach, developing fluency through communication and collaboration, and acquiring values by building on community knowledge and pride in Vietnamese culture. To support teachers, we have organized 7 webinars around the topics of the book, including the whole child approach, everyday English with fluency time, assessment for learning, and 8 demonstration lessons to cover every type of lesson you will find in Tieng Anh Family and Friends National Edition. Please watch the webinar recordings as many times as you want to help you prepare your Family and Friends lessons. There are many more free resources for teachers on the Friends Vietnam website, so please access that website at the address shown on the screen now to make your teaching life easier. And don't forget to follow us on Facebook or email the Oxford University Press Vietnam team for further support. Thank you.